how to fix a yellow screen with 3 different solutions on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then tap on settings. Now in the settings screen, go back to your main settings and then go down and tap on display and brightness. Next, we go down and tap on night shift. Now at the top here, tap on schedule to switch it off. Then also turn off manually enable until tomorrow. Make sure both of these toggle buttons are switched off. If they are turned on, it can cause your screen to go yellow. So here you can see at the moment it is yellow. If you like to use night shift but you don't want your screen too yellow, you can drag the slider bar, the color temperature bar, a little bit to the left, and this will decrease the yellowness of your screen. So if you don't want to use night shift, or if you have accidentally turned on night shift that makes your screen goes yellow, simply just switch it off. Okay, solution number 2 is we're going to go back to the display and brightness. So tap on the back key at the top to go back. Then in here, scroll down and then tap on True Tone. Turn off True Tone. True Tone can cause your screen to go yellow. So from time to time, you may see your screen goes yellow. This is because of True Tone. Now I say that with True Tone, automatically adapt iPhone display based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. So based on the environment that you are in, the screen sometimes may go yellow, sometimes it may be a little bit of a cooler color. So if this is an issue, you can turn off True Tone. Okay, so that is solution number 2. Next, the last solution is to go back. So we go back to the settings menu and then we go down and tap on accessibility. Now in here, go down and tap on display and text size. Next, we go down. So we go down and tap on color filters. Another feature that can cause your screen to go yellow is the color filters. Sometimes you may have accidentally turned on color tint. Color tint sometimes can cause the screen to go again yellow. So if for some reason your screen is yellow and you try everything else and it does not work, then simply go into color filters and turn off color filters. Once you turn off color filters, you should see your screen display will go back to the default color. Now, if you still need to use color filters, then perhaps maybe you could choose a different type. So you've got red or green filter, green or red filter, or blue or yellow filter. And down here, you can also change the intensity as well. So if it is too strong, too much of your yellow screen, then you can change the intensity bar at the bottom here to reduce the yellowness on your screen. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.